more questions. What are the symptoms of HPV if you have it?
Well, that's the thing, Julie. Most of the time, it's microscopic and asymptomatic, so it might not give you any symptoms unless there's an overt or obvious genital wart there.
So, does a routine pap smear show you have this, or is there a specific test you should be asking your doctor for to test for it?
Well, yes and yes. The vast majority of pap smears done in women over the age of 30 automatically will test for the HPV virus. However, there is a separate test which you can ask for, but most of the time in younger women, women in their 20s, gynecologists don't even test for HPV because it's presumed or assumed that so many of those young women will have it.
My goodness. Can you prevent it?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, right? The only way to prevent it for sure is complete abstinence because, again, it can be passed by skin-to-skin contact, not just sexual intercourse. But other ways for prevention, delaying onset of sexual activity until older age, minimizing your lifetime number of sexual partners, obviously using condoms are important, and then there's the vaccine as well.
What's the treatment if you get it?
That's actually the bright spot in this whole thing, Julie, is that the vast majority of cases will go away with no treatment. They need follow-up by a physician, but they don't need treatment. Some cases, however, of HPV or their manifestations, like things like warts or precancer of the cervix, will need treatment, and it could be anything from creams to acid to laser to, in some cases, surgery, so it could be significant.
Now,